Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is carbon and its compounds for class 10th. Carbon and its compounds. Here are two terms, carbon and its compounds. Let us discuss first the term carbon. Carbon is a Latin word which means carbo. The meaning of carbo is coal. The coal is the main form of the carbon. The symbol of carbon is C and its atomic number is 6, while as the atomic mass of carbon is 12. The electronic configuration of carbon is 2 and 4. The outermost shell of the carbon has 4 electrons. So the valency of carbon is 4. The first shell, which contains 2 electrons, is represented by K, and the outermost shell of the carbon, that is the L, which has 4 electrons. If we can say carbon is present on the Earth's crust in the ratio of 0.02%, while as in the atmosphere it is present in the ratio of 0.03%. On Earth's crust it is 0.02% in the form of minerals, and these minerals are like coal, petroleum, etc. While as in the atmosphere the formation of carbon is in the ratio of 0.03%, that is, it is in the form of 0.03%, it is in the form of carbon dioxide, which is important and essential gas, which is very important and essential gas. So we can say that carbon is valuable for us. Without carbon, life is not possible on this global life. Another term of the carbon and its compounds is compounds of carbon. The compounds of carbon are very essential and important for our life. These compounds are like food grains, fertilizers, plastics, dyes, chemicals, medicines, pulses, plants, animals, etc. This indicates that these compounds, which are very essential and important for the survival of the life. So, my dear students, keep this thing always in mind that the compounds of the carbon are the basic and the important foundation for the survival of the life. These compounds of the carbon plays a very important and crucial role in our life. Here, this was the brief description of about the carbon and its compounds. The next topic will be the bonding in carbon. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.